The last 2 weeks of the month of April into the first week of May need to be watched for severe weather. We ended the month of March and started April very active across the Deep South, and now it's time for the Central Plains. This particular model shows supercell compositivity and really picking up on North Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas this next week. Then as we go into the last week of April, we can see that it's actually picking up a dry line situation over the Rockies. This typically occurs as a low pressure system comes off the Rockies, creating what is called the Great Plains low level jet. Now what the LLJ is essentially as this low pressure system comes off the Rockies, you have a lot of wind associated with this and a little bit of moisture. This mixes with Gulf moisture to produce supercells that pop up along the dry line. It's very moist ahead of the dry line, producing supercells forming in the west that move east. Behind the dry line, very dry. Now this particular model runs a couple times a day, and what's really interesting is the next time this model ran, it pretty much stayed the same. North Texas and Oklahoma. Now typically in the months of March and early April, the Deep South gets their severe weather season. Going into late April into May is when the southern Central Plains get their severe weather. I personally wouldn't say Tornado Alley is shifting. Different parts of the alley get their severe weather season at different times of the year. So it just serves as a reminder of just because things are quiet now, the weather can change pretty rapidly. And it's always important to stay weather aware.